In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Jira. If you're getting ready to start your sprint, review your assigned work, or open your team backlog, the first thing you need is a quick and reliable way to access your Jira workspace. The good news is that getting into Jira is very straightforward once you know the main routes. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, move to the address bar at the top of the window and click inside it so you're ready to enter a web address. This is where you'll start the process of reaching your team's Jira site. The first method is the direct route. If your organization has its own Atlassian cloud address, type your company's Jira URL into the address bar and press enter. In many cases, this will look like a company-specific address ending in atlassian.net. If you already know your team's exact site address, this is usually the fastest way to get straight into the workspace. If you don't remember the exact site address, or if you work across more than one Jira environment, there's another option. Go back to the address bar and type id.atlassian.com, then press enter. You may also be able to reach the login flow from Atlassian's general Jira pages, but the identity portal is the clearest place to start when you need to access your account first and find the right workspace from there. Once the login page appears, enter your email address in the field provided, then click continue. After that, type your password if prompted. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may instead choose an option such as signing in with Google or Microsoft. Follow the prompts on screen until your account is authenticated and the Atlassian home area loads. When you're signed in, look for the Jira software tile or launcher option. Click it to open Jira. From there, check your recent projects or available workspaces and select the project you want to open. This should take you into the main board or dashboard where you can start reviewing tasks, sprint progress, and backlog items. Before you jump into your work, take a moment to confirm that everything loaded correctly. Look for your project sidebar, board columns, sprint filters, and profile icon. If those key areas are visible and the page looks normal, you're ready to go. That's how to navigate Jira, from opening the browser